Hey, this is Tommy with AldermanFarms. I'm about to show you the most back-saving device that I've ever seen. Coming up next. Hey boys and girls, let me introduce you to the LogOx 3-in-1 forestry tool. I first heard about LogOx from our friends Doug and Stacy with Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and I was intrigued. Then this past October at the Homesteaders of America conference in Warrenton, Virginia, LogOx was there as a vendor on site, and they were demonstrating and showing folks how this device it will save your back more than anything you've ever seen if you have to work with logs and timbers. I had every intention of purchasing a LogOx on site, and we just got carried away. The conference was so fabulous and we were so busy hugging necks and meeting folks and doing this and that and manning our own booth that I slipped away from there and forgot about it. Well, we got back to Mississippi and something prompted my memory, and I remembered, oh no, I was going to get one. So I went online and ordered one. Well, during the checkout process, if I remember this sequence of events correctly, there was an option to receive my receipt and communication through Facebook Messenger, and I opted in for that. And the attitude with which they communicated with me was just, I don't know, made me smile. And I didn't ask for this. I wasn't interested in pursuing this. I didn't know anything about it. Just in our conversation back and forth, I mentioned that we had been at the conference and had every intention of buying one, and just forgot. Well, unbeknownst to me, they offered a discount at the conference, like a 10% discount at the conference. And LogOx took it upon themselves to honor that conference discount, even though I didn't buy it at the conference. And I thought, man, that is what customer service is about. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a stout tool. It is heavy, not too heavy, but you know what I mean, heavy in a good way. It's well built. You know why? Because it's made in the USA. Look at there, that made in the USA sticker right on the front of it. And it's actually the first time I've gotten to use it. I just haven't had a chance to be out in the woods to try it out. But let me tell you something, my back is as fresh right now as it was when I started working this afternoon. So you want to see it in action? Here we go. Well, that's it. And I'm telling you, my back is not tired at all because I didn't have to bend over one time. Barely had to dip my knees a little bit to reach the small logs to pick them up. And you saw I was even able to pick up some large, oddly shaped pieces of wood. So I can't recommend the LogOx strong enough. I can't find strong enough terms. It is worth every penny. If you're interested in getting one of your own, we'll put a link down in the description of this video. This is not a sponsored video. LogOx has no idea that I'm making this video. I will share it with them because I want them to know how pleased I am with this purchase and with the quality of their merchandise and with their excellent customer service. And so if you end up getting one, do me a favor and tell them that AldermanFarms sent you. I promise you, your back will thank you. Let us know in the comments if you have one, what's your favorite thing about it, and we'll do some videos in the future showing the other features of this multi-tool, such as a cantilever. I may even buy some of the accessories like a cant hook, and I do need to get a holster. You may have noticed in the video that I don't have a holster. It's a quick snap holster, so I had to set it down and prop it up when I wasn't using it. But anyway, I'm rambling on. We love our LogOx, and you will too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.